Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how we can make a command button for deleting data from the list box database, and how we can create a command button for showing the list box and hiding the list box. In the last 3 videos we have learned how we can save data and browse image from the particular image folder, and how we can search data, and how we can update data, how we can see the next data of an employee from the database clicking on the next button. And we have also discussed about how we can see the previous data of an employee from the database. Today we will learn about how we can create delete button using VBA codes in Excel. So friends, let's start. Go to the user form, click here. First I am closing it, and this is the user form. Here I have already taken a command button which have been named delete. You just take a command button, name it delete. Against the name you can see here, right here cmd_delete. So let's double click on the delete button, so that we will write the code. We will copy the codes which have been used for updating the data. First go to user form and click on update data. Then these codes from if txt6.value equal to blank, then from this person to this person, select copy the codes and paste in the delete button. Click on delete button and paste here. So something went wrong, so it shows error. Here bracket has been deleted, so it shows error. Let's write the code, friends. Below here I have already write selected row. This should be selected row. I have written it in short form SEL row. It should be selected row. You can write selected row. I have written it as cell row, SEL row, or you can write it selected row. Then below this code we'll write a code for deleting data from the database. ss.range bracket open, range is A and L, selected row. SEL row I have written it as SEL row. You can write it selected row. Paste here. Close the bracket. Dot entire row dot delete. Here this one delete, and call the refresh data, which we have used in the activate user form. Click on the user form, and this one which we have used in the user form activate. This, copy this one and paste in the delete button below the ss.range A and selected row dot entire row dot delete. So these are the codes for deleting the data from the database. Let's check whether the codes are correct or not. You can press F8 on the keyboard, or you can debug. Click on debug, then compile VBA project. Seems right. So let's run the user form. Run. You can press F5 on the keyboard. So this is the user form. If I will directly click on delete button, then it will give a message, please select a row to update data. Sorry, delete. I have not changed that one. I am just changing that particular delete data. Do you want to delete data? do you want to delete data. Let's check, friends. Debug. Okay, let's run the user form, then click on delete. It will give a message, do you want to delete the data? First select the data. Suppose I want to select for this one and I will delete it. You can see the data has been deleted from the text boxes. Let's clear and check it again whether it has been deleted or not. The data has been deleted from the data sheet, and we should clear this one. In this way we can delete the data from the database. Let's create a checkbox here to show or hide the list box. So let's enlarge the user form and take a checkbox. I'll place here it. I'll write it over here. Show list box. Show list box. You can change the color of it. Go to back color. Here you can see the properties window. Click here. You can change the color of that particular button. This one is the for check show list box. First of all, we'll go to user form. Double click on user form, and here in the click event initialize. Go to initialize. Select initialize here. We'll write a code me dot list box 1 dot visible equal to false, and then we'll run it. You can see here no list box is displaying right now below the command buttons. We'll write another code for showing the list box. So let's double click on the show list box. Here we will write the code. If me dot checkbox 1, this one, if checkbox 1 dot value equal to true, if it is tick mark, this is if it is true, then first of all we'll end the if statement, and if then me dot listbox 1 dot visible is also true. Else we'll put the condition else copy this one me dot listbox 1 dot visible dot true and paste here. It should be false, equal to false. You can see here the condition if me dot checkbox 1 dot value equal to true. If we tick mark, then list box will be shown on the user form. If this is not true, then it will not be shown in the user form. Let's check. First of all, check the codings whether the codes are right or not. You can press F8 on the keyboard, or you can debug. Compile VBA project seems right. Let's check how it works. You can see, friends, here no text, no list box is displaying below the command buttons. If I will check, click here, then you can see the list box is displaying on the user form. You can check Double click on it, you can check the data of any employee. So in this way we can check and uncheck hide and unhide the list box on the user form. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.